Okay, first of all, we need to go to Google and search YouTube. Then click YouTube. Then we will go to the main page of YouTube. Okay, so in the corner we need to sign in with our channel ID. Then under our channel we can see we need to go to the YouTube Studio. Okay, just click that and we are now inside of the YouTube Studio. So if we go in the left hand side, we can see some of the button. If I scroll down, we can see here is the monetization option. Click that and you are on the main page of YouTube monetization. Okay, so what you need, the requirement first to monetize your channel, you need 1000 subscribers, then 4000 hours watch time. Okay, it should be like that, and then you need to two-step verification, zero community guideline strikes, then you are eligible for applying. So here you see the green button, so you can set up this one and they're gonna send you an email when you are eligible for your application. And you can see then the bottom on apply option here somewhere, and you can just apply in here. Okay, but when you apply, maybe they will not give the monetization if you have some strike or something reuse content. So suppose this, in this case, you can see here I'm gonna show you, if you reuse anything you will not get the monetization. Okay, so here you can see your channel monetization, your channel was not accepted for monetization. So why? They gonna describe you why your channel has not monetized. Okay, because maybe you did not follow some of their guidelines, or maybe they are reused. The most of the cases they are now catching about like the reuse content. That's the latest update. So that's the most of the people are facing this problem. So that case you have to edit your videos, you have to fulfill your 1000 subscribers, 4000 hour watch time, two-step verification, and also zero community guidelines strikes. Everything you have to do. Okay, so when you fulfill all the things in here, then you can like have a look what's the reuse content means. So they already describe, just if you open this one, you can see they describe what the reuse content means. Okay, so they show with here, you can see do, don't do. So what you can do, what you can't do. Okay, they give the example what they will accept it and what they will not accept it. So just read very carefully and you should follow all the rules for new monetization for according to new update of YouTube. Okay, so okay, so after when you finish that, still you have to fulfill all the requirement about the subscription, about like the watch time, then two-step verification and zero community guidelines. Okay, so when you see that everything, then you can reapply. Okay, just over here. Okay, then still you can't say okay you will get the monetization, because maybe like the maybe still they are, because it's like the hidden things. Reuse content, maybe you have like the hundred of videos, you don't know which one you reuse the content bit. Okay, so it's when it's like the problem with like the YouTube and AdSense, that time is YouTube generally don't give the monetization nowadays, because here YouTube has no problem, but the AdSense, they have the problem. They want your creativity, your own work. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, like suppose in this case they did not give the monetization, but I'm gonna show you like the content in this channel. Okay, so what they have. So if I go to content again, so I can see they doesn't have any restriction, none of the restriction, but still they did not get monetization, no copyright things, nothing. Because of why? Because they thought this one is like the someone else work you are using here with maybe paying or something, or without acknowledging to them. Maybe they give the permission, but still you are not owner of that. Okay, so that's why they will not give monetization. But maybe you can apply again. Suppose you did not get that monetization, then you apply for them again, but they refuse that and they said you can appeal. Okay, so when you appeal, maybe they reject that one as well. Then what's the reason they did not accept your appeal? Because they give the 14 days to appeal, and maybe they're gonna say like, how did you edit, how did you take your creative process, how did you filming. So they want to know everything. With 5 minutes video, you have to make a 5 minutes video to show everything and put as a unlisted video in the YouTube, and they're gonna see the process. Okay, so after that, you can see here they are showing the permission, not ownership of the video. So that means you have to do everything of yours, your music, your videos, your filming, everything should be only yours. Otherwise YouTube will not give any monetization according to new update. Okay, so make sure you have everything your own. Okay, review the initial feedback. So they said like the feedback, this one did not follow the YouTube monetization policy. Okay, then reuse content means I already described you what the reuse content means. So you have to follow again the all the reuse contents and everything, and then you have to edit your channels. Okay, so edit your channel, how you can delete some of your videos, you can maybe edit something, whatever you thinking, you use reuse content or something, then you will be eligible to apply again for after 1 month. So within 1 month period, they're gonna give you the time. So that's the maybe like, you know, like that's called like almost the last option, because you already maybe apply for 2-3 times. So they again you have to fulfill same like the subscription, watch time, two-step verification, and community guidelines strike as well. So after that you will be eligible to reapply for that. Okay, so maybe you again reapply, maybe you did not get the monetization again. So what's gonna happen? So every month they will give you the option to like 1 month period you can to get the time frame. So what you can do, you need to take all the video detail deleted, because you don't know which one you use the reuse content, because they are not mentioning you used here or this video or there or that video. So that means it's totally unknown. So you have to delete all the videos, then you have to create like the your channel as a new channel. Okay, like all the videos has to be yours, all the creativity has to be yours. So that means everything has to done by yourself, otherwise you will not get any monetization according to new YouTube rules. That's the very harder nowadays for the YouTubers, because they can't do anything of any other people's like the content or something, then they need to delete or update the videos. Okay, so that's you have to keep in mind, then you can reapply and hopefully you can get after that your monetization. So okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.